Hello, everyone. My name is Aria, and welcome to English Talk Channel. I'm so excited to see you here today. Thank you for clicking on this video.
On this channel, we learn English through fun stories, real conversations, and everyday situations. Whether you're a beginner or improving your skills, you're in the right place.
Before we start today's story, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone learning English.
Good morning, everyone. It's a new day, and we have a plan today.
Good morning. I slept well, and I feel ready for the day.
Is today the zoo day? I was thinking about it all night.
Yes, it is, but first, let's wake up slowly.
I'm still a little sleepy, but I'm excited.
That's okay. We have time. Let's start with brushing our teeth. Oh,
Clean teeth help us feel fresh and ready.
I like the mint taste. It makes me feel awake, Han. The bubbles are funny. They make me laugh.
all right, everyone. Breakfast is ready.
We have toast, eggs, and warm milk this morning.
This smells really good. I'm hungry now. Can I have more milk, please?
Of course.
Drink slowly.
After breakfast, we need to get dressed.
Please wear comfortable shoes for walking.
I'll wear my sneakers. They are easy to walk in. I can put on my shoes by myself today.
Great job. Being independent is important.
We are ready.
All right, family.
Let's get ready to leave.
Seatbelts on, everyone. Safety comes first.
The city looks busy this morning. I see many cars and buses outside, Yao.
Yes, mornings are always like this.
Let's talk about our plan at the zoo.
I want to see the giraffes first. I want to see the lions and the monkeys.
Remember, we stay together at all times.
If you feel lost, stop and stay where you are.
All right, kids, here we are.
The zoo! Can we go in now?
Yes,
Wow, the zoo is bigger than I imagined.
we need to stay close.
Let's start with the giraffes over there. Their necks are so long. It looks amazing.
They move slowly, but they are very tall.
Animals live differently from us. That is very interesting.
Look at the elephants. They are calm and strong.
Their ears are huge. They move them a lot. I like how they stay together as a family.
Yes, animals also need family and care. Wow, look, we're here. Monkeys, real monkeys. Liam, wait for us.
Mom, I don't see Liam anymore.
What? Liam was just here.
Stay calm. Let's look around carefully.
Liam, can you hear us?
We will find him. Let's not panic.
Remember what we told him.
Yes, he knows the rule.
I cannot see Mom and Dad. I feel scared. But I remember the rule. Mom said to stop and stay still. I will wait right here. They will come back for me.
Liam, there you are.
Mom. Dad. I stayed right here.
You did the right thing by staying still.
Huh. but I did not run.
This is why we always stay together.
I learned that rules keep us safe. I will stay closer next time.
Let's keep walking together and enjoy the zoo.
Wow, a real elephant.
Look at the peacock. Its feathers are so beautiful. The peacock is so colorful and graceful. I have never seen such big feathers before. Look at the ostrich. It has a very long neck and long legs.
The ostrich cannot fly, but it can run very fast.
The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world.
Wow, it is taller than Dad.
Look at the kangaroo. It carries its baby in a pouch. That is so cute. The baby feels safe inside.
I want to jump like a kangaroo too. Look at the zebra. It has black and white stripes. Every zebra has different stripes, just like our fingerprints.
Let's head to the taxi now. Ooh, everyone looks tired now.
It was a long day, but a good one.
My legs feel tired, but my heart feels happy. I learned something important today.
Learning from real life is the best way.
Home is waiting for us.
Always stay close to your family in busy places.
And remember the safety rules we taught you.
If you feel lost, stop and stay where you are.
I will always remember. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today.